Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Notarize platform. First, you need to create an account by visiting the website and clicking Sign Up. Provide your name, email, and choose a strong password. This initial step takes only about 2 to 3 minutes. Afterward, you will receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Once verified, you are ready to upload your first document for notarization, beginning your streamlined process immediately. Carefully prepare your document before uploading it to the Notarize platform. It must be a complete PDF document without any missing pages or excessive blank spaces. Double-check that all parties who need to sign are listed accurately. Additionally, confirm your document already includes the necessary notarial certificate, like an acknowledgement or a jurat, as this saves time later. If you are unsure, the platform can guide you. This preparation ensures a smooth process for your online notary. Once your document is uploaded and ready, you will connect with a live online notary via a secure video conference. During this private call, the notary will ask you to show a valid, unexpired government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. They will then guide you through a brief knowledge-based authentication, asking a few questions based on public records. This multi-factor verification ensures your identity is confirmed accurately and securely before proceeding with the notarization steps. With your identity confirmed, you will electronically sign your document directly on screen while the notary observes the process. Afterward, the notary will apply their official digital seal and signature, completing the notarization. The platform creates a secure, tamper-proof audit trail for your record, which includes video of the session. Within just a few minutes, your legally valid, digitally notarized document will be available for you to download, print, or share, providing complete peace of mind with a secure, verifiable record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.